The other one is what? Garden egg?
Yes, garden eggs.
White garden egg or green?
Green.
Yes. The greenhouse is empty?
We shall see this side.
Okay.
Then here we have tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes here.
Nice.
And also it is a demonstration shop for that you can, if you have space, you can grow tomatoes. And there are different varieties of tolerant tomatoes.
Okay.
Yes, which can perform in the open field.
Okay, without being in a greenhouse.
Yes.
Can I walk through here? No.
Yeah, no.
I can just stay
Maybe
here.
if you want to take a video when you're inside.
So, okay. So, I have heard of those specific tomatoes that whose seeds are not replantable. Are these the same kind?
Yeah, these are hybrids. So most hybrids cannot be replanted. Yes. So most of the tomato varieties are hybrids. And they cannot be replanted.
Now, where do their seedlings? Their seedlings have to be manufactured in a lab?
No. Yeah, the breeders they do what? They breed seeds. They do plant breeding, and they get seeds from the green. They mostly do greenhouses where they grow. They come up with those different varieties of tomato seeds. The resistant varieties. That is done. It is a scientific way of coming up with the resistant varieties.
Okay.
Of crops.
Though it makes a farmer dependent on the breeder, right? Because you cannot recycle the plant.
Yes. You keep on depending. You keep on buying from the suppliers of these varieties.
Okay.
Yeah.
So these ones, how do you feed them? Because tomatoes can also be big feeders.
Yeah, you can. You mix in
at once, or you keep mixing?
You keep adding depending on the performance of the crop.
What are they having? They are having this thing, and I'm seeing it heavily here on that plant. Is it like a black spot, or is it recovering from something?
Yeah, that was pest.
Oh. Because it looks like it's recovering from it. And it came with vengeance. I see it is more hard, meaning these kind are a bit more durable than the normal tomatoes which we plant from our seeds. Is that so?
Yeah, this one is hard because what breeders do, they come up with varieties which has long shelf life.
How many can you plant? Like, for example, this Kaho section, yeah? How many are, like, in terms of seedlings, when you're getting your seeds, what quantity do you get? Are they like 250 grams that you... Yes.
Each bed has around 50 tomatoes.
Okay.
Like this one. So you can see that we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, like around 15 beds. So 15 beds times 50.
50 tomatoes,
that is
yeah.
How many are those ones? Yeah?
75.
No.
Yeah.
Like, this is 50.
This is like an apple. This one and the other one is 100.
100, yes.
Even here, 100.
200, 300, 400.
500, 600, like around 800 plants here.
800 plants?
Yes.
Do you buy them? Okay. Yeah.
Sorry?
Do you buy them in seed form or seedlings?
And then you raise seedlings.
How do you do nursery? How do you go about the seedling?
We do nursery beds.
Indoor, outdoor?
Indoor.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you do like scatter? or you do rows?
No, we plant in trays.
Oh, the small trays,
Yes.
The plastic trays. Do you have
Yes.
some around or no?
Yeah, we have.
Maybe you will show us.
Mm.
Yeah, okay. Then when you do that, how long do they take until you until you harvest?
They take 3 months.
3 months in the garden,
Yes.
besides the
That's
tray
right.
time.
Yes.
And the tray time,
21 days.
21 days. Okay.
So if I got so you give me seedling, plant, and then
How much do the
Yeah. Just see, once you plant, you remain with rotating them underneath the
then the support that we gave them.
and also taking them
At what age are these
around.
planted? Since in the
what diseases do you normally struggle with in such a place?
Mostly the blight, the fungus, the fungal diseases like early blight and late blight
Okay.
are common diseases
Mm.
that affect tomatoes.
Okay.
Yeah.
What does this help? Does this like substitute for mulching?
Yes, it is a mulching facility for mulching.
What kind of nini do you use that it is not getting rotten to mesh together with the soil when it rains?
This is designed for mulching.
Oh, so if someone they are
It is not easily broken down.
okay. So you make your own holes, or they make the holes for you?
Create your hole yourself,
The-
depending on the spacing of the plant.
What spacing do you follow in this
60
one?
by 60 centimeter.
60 by 60. How what's that in feet?
2 by 2 feet.
Oh, 2 by 2. Okay, that's nice. Wow. So that means you don't struggle with weeds so much,
Yeah, this
because where it's covered, weeds don't come, right? Don't you get external pests?
Of course, they are within, and you can control them. Yes, using insecticides.
Do you have to use specific thingies which don't get termites, or any sticks can do?
Yeah, this being here
Thank
for
you for your film.
short time, also control the termites
Mm.
using insecticides for termites in case if they are there.
But these ones, you can't mix them with any other plant. They are in there.
Here they are big there.
How many can you harvest like in a box in terms of like this big? How many can you harvest when you harvest this year?
What do you mean?
Like I know like some people when they plant a space like this, they can say when harvest time comes they can harvest maybe these boxes where they sell tomatoes. Yeah?
Okay.
That or
Now,
then
now that's when you're planted on large scale.
yeah. So but for this
But
one
mostly here,
mm,
for us, like this is a small garden,
mm.
and here we don't sell in boxes, we sell in kilograms.
Oh
Yes.
okay. So how many kilograms roughly? I know you can't maybe have the exacts, but an estimated one for a season like this. When you say overall, you can amount to probably approximately this.
In this space.
In this place. Is this 5 by 100? 50 by 100? Right?
Yeah, that, yeah, that's about 100.
Yes.
Yeah, we can get like 500 kg.
500 kgs.
Yeah. 500 kg, depending on the performance and depending on the variety.
When you remove these ones, what can you put that
because they are not in the same family.
But when you do cabbage, you still keep the cover.
Yes.
Yes. And then how? Oh, the stick grows. Do you wait for the stick to grow till you mark the cover? How do you do it then? For the cabbage to know that, okay, this is a hole for me to come out from. Do you bring it and put it in
You
the
just plant it in that place.
in the particular hole? Okay. All right. Interesting.
And you see.
Oh, yeah, we come. How often do you need weeding? I know you don't weed much. But
Is this a weed?
No.
What is it?
it looks like something for on the like this in the water.
Yeah, no. It is a vegetable.
What
It
is
is a new vegetable we are introducing.
Hello?
Yes. Not yet.
on the market yet?
Yes.
What is it called?
It is new. So
You don't know its name?
we are still.
You're bringing it together?
Yes.
It's being breeded.
Hey, paper, even now.
So I will not talk about
Kale.